Hello students. Today, I suggest reorganizing the activation of bonuses. So today, we are going hardcore without censorship. The thing is, in the original game, the bonus is not activated at the moment when we pick up the box. This box, so to speak, is placed in the inventory, and we see that we have a bonus and know exactly which one. And at any moment, we can activate this bonus using the space key. The inventory cannot hold more than one bonus, so a newly picked up bonus replaces the old one if not used. Well, okay. Let's get started. First of all, I strongly advise you to save at this point in time and space so that you have the opportunity to roll back to the beginning of this lesson and start over. To do this, in the File menu, select the Save As option. Then in the dialog box, press the plus button to increment the version number, if there is one, and press the Save button. Or you can press the Ctrl-Shift-S key combination. Now all changes will occur in the new version of the file. So, we need to create a new logic branch. Let's call it Box Activate. It would make the most sense to attach it to the player. So let's select the green cube and in the Object Properties, add another, third branch to the list. In this branch, we need to move all the blocks from the box collision branch. It's already a ready-made code, only the condition will be different. Previously, the branch triggered after collision registration, and now it will trigger upon pressing the space key. So, open the box collision branch. Select everything by pressing the A key. The mouse cursor should be in the node window while doing this. If you press A in the upper window, you will select all objects on the scene. Once all nodes are selected, press Ctrl-C to copy them to the clipboard. Now go to the new branch named Box Activate and press Ctrl-V. The copied blocks will drop to the ground. If everything worked, then go back to the box collision branch and delete all the blocks. This branch will remain empty for a short time. Again, open the new Box Activate branch. Remove the On Contact block. Instead, grab the keyboard block. Change the mode to Started. Leave the default key as space. Query the entire branch from this block. Now we need to adjust the conditions. We can no longer refer to ourselves to find out the value of the bonus type variable. Now this variable is in the box, which is currently in the inventory. For convenience, let's call this box current bonus. We will simply rename all boxes that will end up in the inventory. And since there will be no more than one box in the inventory, we will refer to it by name and read the value of the local variable bonus type from it. We need to specify the name of this non-existent object in all three checks. However, we cannot select it from the list because the name is simply not in the list, and we also cannot use the picker because we don't have an object with that name. Therefore, at the object input, we will connect the getObjectByName block and enter the name current bonus. You can also clean up all the blocks where player is specified. Now there is no need for that. Now let's think about this. Pressing the space key should only trigger if there is a bonus in the inventory. If there is no bonus, no checks should be performed. To organize this, we need to create a global variable that will store the state of the inventory. Let's create it in the ground object. This time we need a Boolean type. Let's name the variable HaveBonus. It will have two states. If there is something in the inventory, the variable holds the value true. If the inventory is empty, then false. By default, of course, we need the value false. This means no checkmarks. Now we need another block, called as true. Connect it immediately after the space key. To the bool channel, we should connect our new variable, named HaveBonus. Don't forget to specify the ground object. We get the following. Now the space key will trigger a check of the HaveBonus variable. The signal will only proceed if the variable holds the value true. In other words, we will check what is in the box, only if we have a box. Now let's think about what should happen to the HaveBonus variable if we activate a bonus from our inventory. Of course, we should change the value of the HaveBonus variable to false. We can't do this at the end of the logical chains because in each chain, we have a timer. And the chain will be fully executed only 6 seconds after activation. Therefore, we must change the value immediately after pressing the space key. And to avoid unnecessary blocks, we can do it once right here. Here's what we get. If we press the space key, and at the same time, we have a bonus, it means we mark that we have used it, and then the search begins for which bonus we activated. The next press of the space key will not do anything, because this check will show that there is no bonus. In this branch, there is one detail left to fix. Look at this block that deletes the object. Previously, this logical branch was tied to the boxes, and this block deleted the box after picking it up. Now, this code block is not related to the boxes we pick up on the scene. This branch is related to the inventory. However, this branch is attached to the character. And this empty field indicates that upon activating any bonus, the character will be deleted. However, we need to delete the box from the inventory, which will serve as an indicator, standing here, and showing us that we have a bonus. We can delete it if we refer to it by name. Connect the object field, the existing getObjectByName block with the name current bonus. This needs to be done in all 3 chains. Go to the box collision branch, from which we removed everything. Get the onContact block. In the second field, specify the player. Now we need to create a fork. If we touch the box, then we have 2 options. Option number 1. The inventory is empty, and we simply put the box we picked up there, renaming it to current bonus. Option number 2. If there is already a bonus in the inventory, then we first need to delete the old box and then move the new one there. A simple fork with 2 exits can be made with the branch block. Connect the bool channel to the HaveBonus variable. Don't forget to specify the ground object. Now, if we step on the box, a check will occur. If there is something in the inventory, then the true channel will be activated. And if the inventory is empty, then the false channel will be activated. This is all we need. Connect the object deletion with the name current bonus to the true channel. Placing the current object in its place. To estimate the coordinates, you can go to the layout, enable the camera view with this button, or by pressing 0 on the numpad, place the box in the desired location and check its coordinates in the right panel. Override the coordinates in the Set Object Location block. Immediately after that, we should change the name of the box to current bonus. This can be done with the Set Object Name block. There is no point in changing the state of the HaveBonus variable because we are simply replacing one box with another. And the HaveBonus variable remains true as it was. Move to the false channel. In this chain, scenario-wise, the inventory was empty, so we just need to move the current box to the inventory, rename it, and assign the value true to the have bonus variable. Note that this block cannot be placed before the check. Otherwise, the check will lose its meaning. Let's run the game. Grab the boxes one by one, and the box will move to the inventory. The space key activates the bonus from the inventory. If we did not activate the bonus and grab the box, then the new box replaces the old one. That's all for today. Don't be bored. Goodbye for now.